Here's my typical target market for my restaurant. This is actually someone that I know. He is a business owner in downtown Charlotte. Um, he falls in the range of 35 to 50 years old. He has a 4 year degree plus higher education. His average income fluctuates year to year, sometimes more or less than what I have indicated here. He is a stylist and clothing store owner, and he is a single dad. On a typical day, he gets up, gets his son ready, he goes and works out, he comes into work, deals with clients on a daily basis, gets off after a long day of work. As a single dad, he'll go get his son, they'll go out to eat. On weekends, he does a lot of entertaining for clients, and my restaurant would be the typical place he would take a client for a dinner to try to get their business, talk to them about different things. Um, so many people like the picture on the left is what my typical target market will be.